Yo, what's goody, everybody? What's goody? Let's get into it. A lovely Friday morning. Yeah, CPI. Let me remove the cover real quick. Let's see where we're at. Boom, boom. Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a fantastic Friday so far. We're gonna see if we can catch any trades. Last trading day of the week. Should be a good one. We got CPI happened earlier today, so we'll see where the market goes from there. Let's see. All right. Let's see what I'm looking for. Go to ES as well. All right, so right now we have data highs and data lows, which is good. I'm actually glad CPI kind of moved higher. I think they'll present itself with a pretty good short. So data lows here, data highs there. Hopefully we take out data highs and then we can move into data lows. That's kind of ideal. We already swept this area right here, but looking at the higher time frame, the 4-hour, we have a 4-hour fair value gap open here. If we tap into it, ideally we inverse this 4-hour and we can continue down into our previous week low and also our relative equal low down there. So those are the two areas that I'm really keen on watching. That's our bias. Obviously, I'm bearish bias based off of the daily candle yesterday. We are still kind of red today so far, 0.16%. Like I said, hopefully we take out this high here, manipulate above, and then we can catch a nice short to the downside. This is my ideal situation here. I don't know how high we go from here, but in terms of manipulating, but this is what I want to see happen. What do you guys think? Any advice is take it slow and don't do what you did before. You just gotta take it slow, man. Good, Harn. What's good? What's good? That's a giveaway. Oh my god, we just started a stream. We always do giveaways. So as long as we get 100 likes, 115 likes. I think it was a bullish report, but dude, who knows these days? It's all fabricated. All right, so we have lows right here. These are our 8:30 a.m. lows. This is gonna be important because it's data lows. We've been taking our data lows. If we go back to data lows, so far this week, every data we've had, we have actually swept the highs and lows. So this should be interesting. I'm expecting kind of similar things. I'm sure or farm. Ideally, we don't take our data lows first because if we take our data lows first, then I'm gonna have to play to data highs, and ideally, I would like to play data highs into lows, but we'll see. I hope we're red today, bro. Like on the market, I want to see this dump, bro. Bro, imagine we sweep these lows, right? We create a daily fair value gap. We sweep these lows, inverse the daily gap, go to all-time highs. Like, is that too much to ask for? I did not. I woke up and because I wanted to shorten to that 4-hour gap, but it already happened. So I was like, let me just wait on it. It does look like data lows is coming. You won the giveaway yesterday? Yes, message me on Discord. Your smart prop from email. Done. Yeah, make sure you send it. I don't see any messages right now, so make sure you actually send it to the right person. What are the chances of 24 150? I don't know, bro. It's very. How many points that would be? That'd be like 700 points. 2%. It's not. It's not the craziest. Dude, I want to see a manipulation above data high so we can take NDX puts. That would be ideal. I'm super bearish today. Top shit, yeah. I've just been trading TPT in my personal. I already have the email. Okay, I see. The repeat winner. I see. All right, let's see a pump at open here. Take out the data highs, and we could take a short to the downside. You wearing my Tigger hat? First payout on toss up. Nice, congrats. Shit. Go, it's good. Still got about 15 minutes just open. Were you always this cool headed? It took me 8 months to become this cool headed. It was just a realization that this is a game that's going to take a very long time, and wins and losses are going to be happening over and over and over again. So I can't overreact off a loss or win. Morning, Griff. Good morning. It's a 1 minute time frame. 1 minute. I wanted to see data highs already be taken out. We could get a pre-market trade in, but it's not gonna happen because this is what I don't want. Is this? I don't want this, but it looks like we're gonna get that. because if data lows gets taken out, I'm not gonna be as confident on taking my NDX off open. And ideally I get NDX off open. We got SMT at these lows down here with ES and NQ. Yeah, we do. That's logic injection. I mean, it's just not one, it's a bunch. Jesse, did you also receive the email from Apex about payouts? Are not going to pay people out who made. Dude, I saw that. I don't know how to think about. I don't know what to think about that. It's only for people who broke the MAE rule over and over and over again on purpose. That's what they're saying. It's hard to run up a high balance without it. Jade Cap ran out 2.5 mil off micros, but it was also during Trump tariffs where the market was moving 1,000 points a day. I'm looking at for NDX. I'll look at like a couple hundred points lower. Really. All right, 14 minutes left, guys. See what happens. Like I said, ideally want higher than lower. To pay your Valentine's. Give me 1 second, chat. How long were you a break-even trader? It was basically going from negative to break to profitable. It was like literally like 8 months. All right, chat. Let's a little over 10 minutes, and we got this open. Hopefully, we sweep these highs, take out the lows, and we call it an easy day. Tyler, what's good, baby? Yeah, we met Tyler in Miami. Cool ass dude. You got 150 drawdown left, 150K, bro. You might as well full port that on next news event. I'm not gonna lie, you're cooked. For Apex PA, does the consistency rule apply before you hit the buffer? Like, consistency rule applies throughout the whole account. Chat, make sure you drop a like on the stream. We'll do some smart prop from giveaway. We'll do some points. Drop a like, get it going. We're gonna have more people coming in here as the market day goes on. Usually we have like 500, 600. Chat, we need, if you guys are just joining in, we basically need a... Bro, why are you spamming, bro? Yeah, we need to sweep these highs and then manipulation lower. That's all I'm looking for. Or a manipulation higher, then move lower. That's all I'm looking for. Don't dump off the open, please. All right, that's a fan, buddy. Bro, he's already blown a 50K funded account. He thinks he could bring back $150, bro. Good morning, Abe. Like, be so real, dude. Yeah, for 0DT, for 0DT, I usually trade NDX. Why not manipulate lower than right high, bro? I'm not looking for higher at all. Like, if you look at the daily chart, bro, this does not look good. So let's say we take out the lows and we keep going, we don't come back for the highs. I'm gonna look for expansion on the 5 and 15 minute, and then when the first 5 and 15 minute gap gets hit or order block, that's when I'll trade NDX. So those are two scenarios where I'll trade it. Yeah, that 4 hour, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. I want an inversion of that 4 hour. I see it. Yeah, dude, this daily, I mean, on ES, this looks just as good as NQ. I mean, hopefully we break out the range, right? We haven't broke out the range. Today's weekly close, right? Let's look at this. If we get a closure below this wick, that's actually a really good sign. I thought we would do it last week, but Friday obviously bought up. So if we can close above this range weekly wicks, completely violate this order block here, I think we'll be good to go. So anything under like 700s will be a good daily close, will be a good weekly close as well. Let's see what happens. NDX is 0 or it's a ticker. It's like SPX but for NQ. Why are you switching long bias above yesterday's daily candle? Why is Lantos suffering lately? Bro takes 2-3 losses in a row and he's suffering, I guess. Bro, Lanto's killing it regardless, bro. I mean, dude, have you seen how much he's up this week and last week and this month? Bro, he's up like fucking 400K this month. Funny that I was joining Lantos this week. Bro, that is a... I hate when people say that. Like, you're joking, but you're not joking, bro. If you were joking and you actually didn't care about it, you wouldn't post it. It's just like, bro, it's trading, bro. I could lose 5 trades in a row, 10 trades in a row, bro. I don't care. Like, I'm not gonna feel bad for anyone here if I lose 5 to 10 trades in a row. What am I supposed to do? That's my trading. Like, that's just how it is. If I win 5, 10 trades in a row too, which happens, it is what it is. Bro, like, I shoot 65% win rate, bro. Me taking 5 to 7 losses in a row is not rare at all, bro. I feel, yeah, people, the recency bias is always crazy. Yeah, that's true too. That is true. I mean, you try to avoid low quality setups in general. So if my setup's there, the probability is there. I'm still gonna take the trade. But low quality setups, I mean, what do you define as a low quality setup? That depends on the trader, right? What I define as a low quality setup might be your high quality setup, or what your low quality is my high quality. It just depends, right? Yeah, using other traders' bias is the best way to kind of learn. You're not gonna learn any other way. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna type those data highs before we tap into data lows. Ideally, I like to see data lows now, or data highs, excuse me. Data highs, the ES6 are highs. We still have data lows on ES. I think down here, yeah. So I think it'll be good. The SMT holds for now. We go higher would be ideal. If we don't, it's gonna be very low probability in my eyes. We need the buy side suit for the trigger. If not, we're chilling. It's good. Slim, how you been, bro? A little 5-minute gap here. See if that goes inversion. Would be ideal here. All right, we're actually getting somewhere close to buy side, which is good. Wonky open. Let's wait, guys. Stay patient. Yeah, volatility is there. I'm so bearish, bro, but I need a sweep. Like, I'm stupid bearish. Like, I want to play downside like no tomorrow, bro, but god damn. Like, I get it if we don't take out those highs, but it'll just suck, bro. We have a 15-minute gap here too, so if this 15-minute gap goes, I might have to get this a couple of jabs. This is makes like this. I feel like this is kind of makes you like we're not gonna go and have a range or trend day because this is not getting taken out. It's gonna be unfortunate. This is gonna be a frustrating day if we just dump without a sweep. This isn't high probability of me taking a short without liquidity being. There's no buy side being swept, right? That's the issue. And ideally, I don't want to sit in 100 points of drawdown on NDX. This is NQ1, bro. All right, those are one of the smart prop from giveaway yesterday. I sent it all over to the team. Yeah, I know entry better for me. Yeah, I'm with you. Good, Demos. Chat, I'm not gonna lie, I'm losing hope on this sweep. I'm so bearish, bro. We are 1000% going down. It's just like I don't want to sit through that drawdown of fucking waiting. That's unfortunate. I have swings going, which are fine, but I really wanted an NDX day trade. Fuck, bro. Chat, I hope the bias helped at least. I don't know. I'm kind of salty right now if you guys can't tell. If that was a sweep, I'm telling you, I'd be up like 40K right now. I would have been heavy sized. I'm so bearish, but if you guys are just joining in, this is what I wanted here. Right. Down in that sell side curve, but we didn't. All right, I have it right here too. We just didn't get it. Didn't get it. Well, there's liquidity being slugged, chat. Chat! No! Fuck, bro. Chat, tell me it's okay. Tell me it's okay. I'm not okay, bro. I need more money, bro. I'm greedy as fuck, bro. Fuck I look like. I need more. I'm greedy, bro. I need more, bro. I'm about to crash out right now. I'm about to blow my account, bro. 5. Yo, is this an A+ long setup though, chat? This low-key is though, I'm not gonna lie. This is low-key this is a good long setup. Like, I know everyone in ICT is taking this right now. Am I taking it? Fuck no. I'll be right back though. Let me get some agua. BRB chat. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, I fucking called it too. God damn it. All right, that's good though. Let's take out these highs, manipulate, and then we'll take a short. All right, chat. I'm start looking for shorts at this area here. Every ICT influencer guy, liquidity sweep, IFEG. This is a perfect setup. Buy my indicator right now, and you guys can get this free setup every single day. Make sure to buy my indicator, guys. Use code IFEG for 20% off my indicator, okay? You guys have my indicator, you will be profitable. Come with me to trade NASDAQ every morning with my indicator. It is a good long setup. Here's how I made $700 million on my demo account using this IFEG strategy right here, guys. Let's get straight into it. ICT is actually in my chat right now. It's funny how you guys always talk about Dodgy, dude. I love Dodgy. Chat, I'm dropping a fucking indicator, bro. I don't care. I'm making my extra 500K. I don't care, bro. I don't care. If you guys knew how much these guys were making, bro, fuck yeah, I'm gonna do it too. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Don't hate the player, hate the game, bro. If you guys see me promoting a Forex giveaway or Forex broker, just know that I'm gonna pay like $300 million, all right? Don't worry, chat. I'll split it with you guys. Don't worry, don't worry. All right, let's see. All right, we got a pretty easy situation here. You can either, honestly, how far are we from the 4-hour gap? Pretty far. Yeah, pretty far from these 4-hour gaps. I'm gonna start at NDX position here. Let me see what the contracts are looking like. Let me see what the contracts are looking like. NDX. You guys can take, if honestly, you can take some micro shorts here and let it play out and see where it goes. Damn, these contracts are expensive as fuck. Okay. Chat, these are very expensive. I don't know what to say. Like these contracts, 100, 200 points away are still like 8 to 10K. But you can short here for micros and think it'll be fine. This is rough. I'm gonna take one contract of NDX. I think the Ivy is Ivy's cooked. Dude, they're moving like crazy too. Well, chat. Damn, that's already a crazy move. We're oh my god, I'm already up a fucking 100 points, bro. Holy shit. I'm up 40 fucking $500 off that. God damn. God damn. All right, let's let it keep playing out. God damn. Oh my god. Fuck. God damn, that was quick. Yeah, it's super seek and destroy. All right, chat, give me 1 second. All right, here's the issue, chat. I got a flower bouquet for my lady. I didn't like how it came out, so I need to get it rearranged real quick. So the lady is coming to the house. I need to go drop it off to her. BRB though. BRB. This is cooked. BRB. Why are we not at 0 yet for NQ, bro? What is this? All right, chat, drop a like on the stream. We'll do some giveaways today. That's probably a little bit. I mean, we're already an hour in. It's pretty good. Volatility is back. Pretty good to trade evals too. What are we at right now for likewise? We might just pre-start this giveaway. Oh, we already had 100 likes. Y'all different. Y'all built different right now. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right, chat, I'm feeling generous today. I'm feeling really generous. We'll do 3. We'll do 5 minutes. You blew your accounts at the whack, bro. I'm telling you, size down, bro. Like, okay, we're moving a lot of points. You have to size down. Like, there's no other secret to it besides sizing down. I don't size up on volatile day. This is where you size down and let the points do the heavy lifting, right? In the Discord. I'll link the Discord right now. All right, giveaway is live, chat. Damn, NQ's pumping. All right, let me see. I'm gonna hold these NDX trades. No, I dude, that's one thing I want to work on is scaling into trades. I never scale into trades. All right, I'm gonna hold these NDX pretty much all day long. My risk on this is around 8K or 9K, excuse me. I'm going for like at least 20K on this. It's very volatile, so I understand. Okay, like if you're trading your funded accounts, whatever, to size down, bro. So we can go up, down 50, 60, 70 points and like still be going a certain way, if that makes sense, right? This is super duper volatile, so just make sure your size appropriate. Like 1 to 2 micros is enough with this price action, right? Like let's say you're trading 1 micro, bro, 2 micros, catching 100 points, which is pretty, you know, doable in this price action. But that's a lot. Dude, look at this. We just dumped 100 points, dude. Almost. Like, it's very doable. So make sure you have the size down and understanding about the volatility and why you should risk a certain amount, right? Chat, we're currently up 100 points on this trade. 110 points. If you guys took this trade, did you guys take this trade? Whether it's NDX or NQ, or NDX or MNQ. We're dumping. Lines in the same trade. Yeah, that's good. Low it is good. I have some micros going. I have those stops at break even already. But NDX, I don't use stop losses, either TP or 0. All right, giveaway has, guys, if you guys haven't joined, we only have 178 entries, chat. With 3 winners, you have a good chance of winning. Make sure to join the giveaway. Oh my god, look at this top tick by Jax here. Amazing trade. Holding Lucha had a size down. Let's go. Discord eating. Don't join the giveaway. Currently up $5,300 on that SPX or NDX trade, excuse me. I only took 1 contract because what I noticed is when I trade, this is kind of the power of sizing down. When I trade, you know, 5 to 10K on NDX, SPX, I can hold to 300, 400, 500%. But when I trade, you know, that 20 to 30 to 40K size, I can't. So I just been sizing down on it. 5 to 10K size, hold for multiple bags, and it's usually good. This fact, I'm above the intraday buffer. Nice. Chat, when the florist comes, I'm gonna have to end stream. I just asked for an ETA. See what she says. Chat, you guys are gonna hate me. You guys are about to absolutely hate me. I just want to let you know that I'm not lying about this. Look, bro. This is right now. I gotta get out of here. For the giveaway winners, they are, let me see. Dennis, JV, Dr. Info or Info Doctor. All right, chat. Make sure if you guys win, drop a comment on the Discord, DM me on Discord your smart prop from email, and I'll get it to you guys. Chat, they're pretty. Dennis, I already have your account. I know you won it before. It's gonna take a few days to get it to you guys, but that should be there. Chat, I'm sorry I got to end stream early. I'll keep you guys updated on the NDX play in the Discord, so make sure you guys are in the Discord. What's NQ at? 50s. My stops on MQ are at the highs, so it'll be near break even if I get hit for that. But I'm about to head out here. We had a pretty good overall week. Chat, peace and love. I'll see you guys this weekend. I'm gonna post a bunch of recaps, reviews, all that stuff over the weekend. I'm working on a long form content as well, so we're gonna get that out as soon as possible, probably by next week. But yeah, all right, peace and love, chat. Peace and love. Appreciate you guys for being on.